G'day everyone, I'm Professor Fogg, but you can call me Jackie. I'm actually here to talk about some trading, in particular Elliott Waves, but before I do, I just want to tell you a little bit about me. Used to run a software company back in Sydney, Australia. I did that for 20 years. Took out the rubbish bin every Monday night. Pronto, that was part of my job. But we eventually got taken over and I decided to go and look for something else to do. And the markets looked terrific. So I was thrilled to get involved with markets, but I needed to learn about markets. So in the end, we spent some years and we learnt this thing called Elliott Wave. And so I want to teach you a little bit about Elliott Wave. I want to show you a chart and I want to show you a trading opportunity. Elliott Wave. That's this thing that people say, oh, it's really hard, it's really subjective. You get 10 Elliottians in the one room, you get 20 different Elliott Wave counts. Don't believe any of it. It's a lot of nonsense. Elliott Wave really isn't that difficult. Elliott Wave means looking at a price chart. Is it going up? Is it going down? And if it's going up, look for 5 waves up, and then look for 3 waves down. It's a waves thing. You've got to be able to count to 5 and you've got to be able to count to 3. And I can do both of those. So I want to show you a particular chart today, near and dear to my heart. This is the Australian dollar against the Kiwi dollar. And you'll notice that we're showing you this chart because there was this wonderful price action today. The Aussie dollar exploded higher, and what it's showing is an Elliott Wave count. And I'm going to start you right here at the bottom here at the 106.50. This is the first wave, white circle 1. This is the second wave, white circle 2. And these waves are made up of 5s and 3s. Let me show you. Here is the first wave. It's made up of 5 smaller waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How difficult is that? Seriously, it's not that hard. Then after the strong move higher, there's this sideways correction where all the people who bought down here see the price went up, they start selling because they've made some money, and as they're selling and making money and realizing a profit, it gets cheap again. And so people decide, well, let's buy it again. And so it starts again. And right now we've seen 1, 2, 3 waves higher. Here is today's move from 109, from actually 108.50 to almost 110. That is such a beautiful move. The Aussie is strong. Now, there are a lot of people who've made money today. And there are going to be a lot of people tomorrow who are going to want to sell the Aussie dollars against the Kiwi dollar. So what we're looking for right now is for price to pull back in the 4th wave. It's currently reached a high of about 109.82. It's going to pull back probably to around 109 and then it's going to go higher. It's going to go to 110, maybe 110.50. And that's an opportunity for us to trade this. Here is this 3rd wave that happened today. And let me show you that like the earlier impulsive wave, it breaks up into 5 smaller waves. That's an impulse. Look for which way the price is going. If it's going up, then you look for 5 waves in the direction of the price movement. So for tomorrow or Monday, now that we've seen this 5-wave move higher, we're looking for this pullback here in 3 waves for the 4th wave, because this is what we're going to look to buy. We have a plan. We're going to use it to buy this pullback for another move higher. Let's show you in a little more detail here what we're talking about. This is the 4th wave. And what it's going to do is it's going to decompose in 3 waves. It's going to come lower in A, rise a little in B, and come lower in C. And this is about the level where we're looking to buy it tomorrow or Monday, for a move to 110.5, maybe even 111. That's the plan, that's the trade. Look forward to catching up with you next week.